Hello and welcome to the submission of the Project Zero of the course Cs50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript I'm making for the Harvard University. In this video I'm going to show you the functioning of the Project Zero that consisted on creating a search mechanism for Google. As you can see on screen, the interface is the one that we have on screen. We have the Google name, we have the two buttons for Google Search, I'm feeling lucky, and two other links for going to Google Images and Google Advanced, seen on the upper right corner. First of all, I'm going to search whatever, for example Google, and press Google Search. You can see that it easily transports us to the Google Search for Google. In case I press I'm feeling lucky instead, it would directly enter the first page, that would be this one. So if I press here, it would be the same result, but I'm feeling lucky makes the objective that we wanted. If we move to Google Images, we see something similar. And again, if we type Google here and press Google Images, it will drive us to the images page for Google. If we can here go back to Google and now press Google Advanced, we have the 4 options that Google Advanced gives us. If we start writing something like on a day, all these words, and just press enter, will drive us to these different pages containing this. Now if I delete this and go back and write this exact word phrase, let me just delete this, we can look for whatever, but it gives us exactly pages that contain this exact sentence. Instead, if I wanted to write whatever, for example hello or goodbye, just making the words separated by space, it would just give us here and show all the results for whatever we looked for. And finally, if we want any of these words, for example if we write Google, we will look for Google, basically nothing appears, but we can write whatever, for example hello, and well, again nothing happens, but that is because we didn't search for anything at all. So yeah, basically that would be everything. This is all the functions that the website has. It's quite simple, but I hope it meets the criteria required, and hope you like the video and hope to see you soon.